Hi, good morning. My name is Fonology and I am a student of Technical College. And now, in this presentation, I would like to tell you about vowels and also their forms. And the first, I will explain about vowels. Vowels means that produced by varying the shaping of the lips. And also, vowels are produced by varying the placement of the tongue body. And actually, in Indonesia, it has 5 vowels such as A, I, U, E, and O. But when I learned in phonology, there are 12 vowels here. And the first, I will explain one by one. The first is E. E. Okay, and the next is I. I. Okay, and the next is O. O. Next is U. Next, E. E. And this is A. A. The next is The next is O. O. The next is A. A. And this is A. A. And then and the next is O. Okay, and I can divide the vowels into 3 parts of the line. The first one we can call as the narrow vowels, and the second line is more open, and the next is open, big, and round. Means that this is how to produce the vowel sound. Okay? Always remember it. Narrow, more open, big, and round. And also, I have some example of the vowel sound here. The first is E sound. E sound. I have breathe. Breathe. Next is I sound. I sound. And I have sit. Sit. Next is O sound. O sound. In example, book. Book. And the next is U sound. U sound. In example, shoe. And the next example is E sound. E sound. In example, I have pen. Pen. And this is sound. Sound. And I have mother. Mother. And the next one is sound. Sound. And I have bird. Bird. And the next is O sound. O sound. And I have example. Bird. Bird. And the next one is sound. In example, apple. Apple. And the next is sound. Sound. In example, under. Under. And the next is sound. Sound. And I have car. And the last is sound. Sound. And I have example. Option. Option. conclusion about the vowel, about the symbol. In E sound and I sound, there is a difference. Because in E sound, there are colon, we call it colon. Means that if the vowel that has a colon, means that this is the longer. And if there is no colon, means that it's shorter than the other vowels. Okay, that's all about the vowels. And the next I will explain about diphthong. Diphthong is sound which is made by both gliding from one position to another position. And sometimes we can also diphthong as a combination of two vowels. Okay, and I have 8 diphthongs. The first is A, and the next is I, and the next is O, and then O, and the next is Oi, and then ear, and the next A, and the last is O. Okay, and I will give you some example of diphthongs. The first is A sound, and I have break. And next is I, fine, and then O is bolt. And the next is owl sound. An example is about. And the next is oi. An example is boil. And the next is ear. And I have example here. Okay, and the next is a. An example word is chair. And then in the last one, I have O. An example is terrorist. Okay, that's all about my explanation about the vowels and also diphthongs. Okay, see you!